Here are 8 news stories from the world of the crypto industry. First story. Bitcoin may surge by 23% in October. As October begins, the cryptocurrency market enters a promising period historically associated with solid Bitcoin price growth, reports Crypto Briefing. Over the last 9 years, Bitcoin has risen in October 8 times, averaging a 22.9% increase. If this trend continues, it could push the leading cryptocurrency above $78,000 to new all-time highs, according to a recent report by the analytics firm QCP Capital. Bitcoin has been consolidating between $60,000 and $70,000 for 8 months, sparking speculation about a potential breakout. The market is eyeing this possibility, especially considering the upcoming U.S. elections. The inflow of funds into spot ETFs remains consistently positive, while perpetual funding rates are approaching levels reminiscent of the bullish run in the first quarter. This week, Bitcoin has been volatile. On Tuesday, the coin increased by 0.5%, trading near $64,000, while the day before, it briefly rose above $65,700 before retreating to around $63,000 as profit takers entered the market. The overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market remains bullish, driven by positive on-chain data and a favorable macroeconomic environment. Second story. Bitcoin will not exceed $80,000 by Christmas. Pav Gundel, the lead analyst at the Australian cryptocurrency exchange SWIFTX, believes that at best, Bitcoin will rise to $80,000 by December 24th. I think the window for reaching $100,000 by the end of the quarter is too narrow. Everything would need to go in Bitcoin's favor for that to happen, and I don't have confidence that it will. The most likely scenario is a rise to $75,000 to $80,000 by Christmas, Gundel stated. Catholics celebrate Christmas on the night of December 24th to 25th, and Pav suggests that by December 24th, Bitcoin's price may surpass the all-time high of $73,794 set in March 2024. However, he believes the record will only be broken by up to 8.4%. Despite this, traders in the options market hold a more optimistic view. Most are making contracts to buy Bitcoin at prices ranging from $90,000 to $110,000 by Christmas Eve. Thus, traders predict a rise of at least 41% from Bitcoin's current price of $63,782. The gradual increase in open positions for buying BTC in the options market since late July adds to this optimism. Third story. ChainGPT and Trust Wallet announce partnership. Two major players in the crypto industry, ChainGPT and Trust Wallet, have announced a strategic partnership in celebration of the crypto wallet's 7th anniversary. This collaboration is accompanied by an innovative event where users can create NFTs using ChainGPT's AI generator. The companies are offering users the opportunity to mint their own digital assets and participate in a prize draw. As part of the campaign, users can generate and mint NFTs dedicated to Trust Wallet's birthday. This is a simple and fast process where AI helps create unique digital items. ChainGPT CEO Ilan Romanov noted that the partnership underscores the trust that Web3 sector leaders have in AI solutions. With over 130 million users worldwide, Trust Wallet will reach a broad audience through push notifications, social media posts, and other channels. This partnership provides ChainGPT with an opportunity to showcase its AI technology to millions of potential participants, many of whom will be introduced to the platform for the first time. Participants in the joint event between ChainGPT and Trust Wallet will have the chance to win part of a 50,000 CGPT prize pool. The event will run from September 30th to October 14th, 2024, and anyone can join by simply connecting their wallet and generating unique NFTs. Trust Wallet is one of the leading decentralized crypto wallets, offering users secure management of digital assets. The developers provide easy-to-use and reliable solutions for managing cryptocurrencies without intermediaries. According to analysts, This partnership highlights the importance of AI technology in the crypto ecosystem and demonstrates a new level of user interaction with digital assets. Fourth story. Matrixport experts note a rise in stablecoin issuance. Today's report from Matrixport analysts highlights a significant increase in stablecoin issuance in the cryptocurrency market. In their view, this indicates a bullish impulse for Bitcoin amid growing institutional confidence. According to the latest data, stablecoin issuance has reached its highest levels since March-April this year, signaling fresh fiat inflows into the cryptocurrency market. This event is often interpreted as a bullish signal, as stablecoins are typically used to enter digital assets. Notably, in February 2024, a similar spike in issuance preceded a strong Bitcoin price rally. According to numerous analysts, if the current rate of issuance continues, it could further drive prices higher, not only for Bitcoin but also for other virtual currencies. The report emphasizes that since the Federal Reserve's meeting on July 31, where the decision was made to maintain low interest rates, stablecoin issuance has accelerated. This reflects institutional investors' confidence in a favorable macroeconomic environment characterized by low rates and improved conditions for cryptocurrency investments. A chart published by the researchers also shows a direct correlation between stablecoin issuance spikes and Bitcoin price growth. In recent months, the stablecoin market has become a key indicator for predicting movements in Bitcoin prices. Investors are paying close attention to this as a signal for upward price jumps. According to CC data, the market capitalization of all global stablecoins has exceeded $172 billion. Fifth story. The Arbitrum One network has processed over 1 billion transactions. The Layer 2 network Arbitrum One has processed over $1 billion in transactions, which took about 3 years. However, it trails behind Base in terms of daily transactions. According to the Blocks dashboard, the network ranks second among Layer 2 solutions in daily transaction volume. On September 30, 2024, for example, Arbitrum One processed 1.7 million transactions. The top spot belongs to Coinbase Layer 2 solution, Base, with 4.99 million transactions. OP Mainnet comes in third with 765,910 transactions. The total value locked on Arbitrum One stands at $2.5 billion, according to DeFi Llama. Since late July 2024, when a decline in the network's metrics began, the value has decreased by over $700 million. In June 2024, activity in this ecosystem, along with the volume of collected fees, saw a significant rise due to the paid claim of Layer 0 protocol tokens. Previously, in December 2023, there was a spike in network activity due to the launch of an analog of Bitcoin ordinals, which led to increased fees. However, a higher load ultimately caused a failure in Arbitrum One's operations. Sixth story. U.S. Senator introduces a bill to allow cryptocurrency tax payments. Ohio State Senator Neeraj Antony has introduced a bill requiring the state and all local political subdivisions to accept cryptocurrencies for the payment of state and local taxes and fees. Additionally, the bill allows state universities and public pension funds to invest in cryptocurrencies if they choose to do so. Cryptocurrencies are not just the future but the present of our 21st century economy. If we want to encourage innovation and free enterprise in Ohio, we must do everything we can to normalize the use of cryptocurrencies. By allowing Ohioans to pay their taxes and fees with crypto assets, we will be at the forefront, Antony said. He added that in November 2018, Ohio became the first state in the United States to accept cryptocurrencies for tax payments. However, a year later, the state's Attorney General said approval from the Board of Deposits was required, which has yet to take action to approve cryptocurrency tax payments. It's worth noting that in July 2024, Senator Cynthia Lummis introduced the Bitcoin Act of 2024, which calls for the creation of a federal Bitcoin reserve of 1 million BTC over 5 years. Seventh story. Japan to review cryptocurrency regulation rules. In the coming months, Japan's Financial Services Agency will review cryptocurrency regulation rules, according to Bloomberg. Journalists report that the local regulator will assess whether the current approach to regulating cryptocurrencies under the Payment Services Act is adequate. Officials are also considering including cryptocurrencies under the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act. The FSA will examine whether the law provides adequate investor protection, as tokens are primarily used for investment rather than payments. This could lead to changes in the law or the reclassification of cryptocurrencies as financial instruments subject to Japan's investment law, said an anonymous FSA representative. BitBank cryptocurrency exchange expert Yuya Hasegawa believes that including digital assets in the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act will strengthen investor guarantees and lead to significant changes. He noted that officials may lower the tax on cryptocurrency profits from the current 55% to 20%. Hasegawa added that the review of regulatory rules could also lift the ban on launching cryptocurrency ETFs. The FSA representative stated that no conclusions have been reached yet, and the review could continue until winter. It's worth recalling that in late 2023, local media reported that Japan's government officially approved changes to the 2024 tax regime, including the elimination of corporate tax on unrealized cryptocurrency gains. 8th story. Bitcoin closed September with a 7.3% increase, Ethereum with 3.5%. The monthly increase in Bitcoin's price in September 2024 was 7.29%, marking a new all-time high. Ethereum also showed positive growth, gaining 3.5%. Bitcoin has only closed September in the green 3 times before. The previous high was set in 2016 at just over 6%. The asset experienced several spikes throughout the month. One occurred after the Federal Reserve sharply changed course, lowering the interest rate by 50 basis points. Ethereum, similarly, has only closed September positively 3 times before. Like Bitcoin, its highest September growth was also in 2016 at 14.53%. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum did not see significant price jumps. By mid-month, the asset saw an increase, consolidating around the $2,600 zone. It's worth noting that both assets closed August with declines 8.6% for Bitcoin and 22.2% for Ethereum.